Welcome to Nondon Luxury Apartment, where you can buy 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom apartments here in Enugu. With an initial deposit of 50%, you can be able to spread the balance for the next 6 months. So if you want to buy this apartment and pay small, we can help you secure this apartment. If you're in the diaspora and you're looking for a place, a condo or an apartment that you can buy, and when you're in Nigeria you can use it, and when you travel you can use it for shortlets or service apartments, this Nondon Luxury Apartment is the best choice for you. Call me now with the number on the screen to get started.